since I was a little child. Every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chases, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are...
Hello and welcome. There is something magical about fall, isn't there? The crisp air, the rustling leaves, and the smell of ripe apples. It's a sensory feast for the soul. But did you know that these experiences can have a profound impact on your brain and overall well-being? In one of my earlier videos, I discussed trying to go outdoors more often, and I promised that I would dive into nature's benefits in a future video. So here we are. Today, we'll explore the science behind this phenomenon and share some incredible insights that might just inspire you to spend more time outdoors, all while savoring the warm embrace of fall, with apples in the crisp breeze and the comforting scent of cinnamon, cloves, and spices in the air. In our fast-paced modern lives, stress is an unwelcome companion. However, nature has the power to reduce stress levels significantly. Studies have shown that spending time in a green space lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, while simultaneously increasing feelings of tranquility. Whether it's the sound of rustling leaves, the scent of pine trees, or the gentle babble of a stream, nature provides a soothing symphony that can ease our troubled minds. Nature has a remarkable ability to enhance mental clarity, or psychologically speaking, our cognitive function. When we immerse ourselves in natural settings, our brains enter a state of what scientists call soft fascination. Soft fascination allows our minds to relax, reset, and recharge, ultimately boosting creativity, problem-solving skills, and overall mental clarity. Have you ever noticed how a walk in the woods or a day at the beach can instantly lift our spirits? Well, there's a reason for that. Being in nature increases the production of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. So, if you're feeling down or stressed, consider taking a nature break. It might be just what you need to turn your day around. But it's not just about our minds. Nature also benefits our physical well-being. Outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or even a leisurely stroll can improve cardiovascular health, boost our immune system, and help with weight management. The combination of physical activity and fresh air can have a remarkable impact on our overall health. We can also bring some nature indoors with different fragrances of fall. A beautiful way to become attuned to nature is by connecting with a seasonal item, such as the fruits of harvest during fall. I do enjoy the fruits of the season, and one way I do this is by making apple tea. I make my tea with apples, black tea, and warm autumnal spices. However, if you don't have all these spices at home, you can use an autumn flavored tea bag like this one from Trader Joe's. It will flavor your apple tea beautifully. Apple tea is a simple yet incredibly soothing process that allows us to further connect with nature. I love how the aroma of the tea fills my home, bringing the sense of nature indoors. There's something soothing about the warm aroma of apple tea on a chilly autumn day. After all, apples have long been associated with health. It's a perfect way to relax and savor the flavors of the season.
I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches.
As I sip on my apple tea, I reflect on how nature contributes to my overall well-being. As I indulge in this comforting beverage, I find gratitude for the beauty and wonder of nature that makes it all possible. I gaze into my cup of apple tea, noticing the rich amber color, the steam rising gracefully from the cup, and the way the light filters through the liquid, taking in the beauty of this simple yet delightful sight. I gently bring the cup closer to my nose and inhale deeply the warm aroma of apples and spices to fill my senses, and I feel the comforting embrace of nature's fragrance. I take a small sip, allowing the soothing liquid to touch my lips and tongue, experiencing the warmth and comfort of nature in my hands. Taking another sip, the flavors of the apple tea dance on my taste buds. There are sweet, fruity notes balanced with a hint of spices. I let my taste buds celebrate the wonders of nature's bounty. As I continue sipping my apple tea, I listen to the calming sounds of nature around me, whether it's birds singing outside, the rustle of leaves in the wind, or the gentle hum of my surroundings. These sounds remind me of the interconnectedness of all life. It gives me joy to take a moment to reflect on this experience, and I remember to carry this sense of appreciation for the natural world with me throughout my day. So, there you have it, fellow nature lovers. Beyond reducing stress, spending time outdoors can boost our mood, increase creativity, and enhance cognitive function. Nature has a way of rejuvenating the mind and providing a fresh perspective on life. The benefits of spending time in the great outdoors are boundless. I want to emphasize that you don't have to go out of your way to find nature. Even a simple walk around your neighborhood or a peaceful moment spent on your porch or balcony, observing the greenery around you, can be just as beneficial for your brain. Nature is all around us, and taking the time to appreciate the beauty in our everyday surroundings can be a mindfulness practice in itself. So, whether it's a grand adventure in a distant wilderness or a quiet moment in your local park, remember that nature is always there, ready to nourish your brain and soothe your soul. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Until next time, stay connected with nature, wherever you may be, and keep exploring the wonders of the world around us. Bye for now.